So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll show you how you can create stunning AI generated videos and kickstart your faceless content creation journey in as little as 5 minutes. There are a lot of platforms out there for creating AI content, but after trying many of them, I'm going to show you the one I think is the best. Today I'll walk you through exactly how I create complete videos without using a camera, without any editing skills, and without ever showing my face. It only takes two tools and just a few minutes to make each video. So let's get started. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more such useful AI related videos. The first step is getting your visuals, and I do this inside the best image generation model in the world, which is ChatGPT. I just describe the scene I want in plain words. For example, I might type something like a cozy home office at night, warm lamp light, a laptop open on the desk. The more detail you give it about the setting, the lighting, and the mood, the better the image turns out. Right now, ChatGPT generates images using a model called GPT-Image2, and multiple independent rankings currently place it as the top image model available. It is strong with realistic detail, and it is also one of those models which can write clean, readable text inside an image, like a sign or a label. So this one step alone can give you thumbnail ready and video ready visuals in under 1 minute. And I'm going to show you how. So you have to enter your prompt here, and as you can see, it has started to generate. So now we have to wait until it finishes. And now the wait is over, and ChatGPT has created our image, which looks really beautiful, right? So now I'm going to click here and download it. And as you can see, the image has been downloaded. Okay. Now before I tell you how I create videos from this image, let me tell you that I have a faceless content channel on Instagram, which is at Dexter.universe, and I will display it on the screen right now. I have been building this since 1 month using this platform, and I have received really great results. As you can see, my channel is about to reach 10,000 followers. And just in case you wondered why a guy who doesn't even have 100 subscribers is talking about how you can create content, that's the reason. So now let's move on to creating the video. So this is the platform I create videos on. It's called Yapper.so, and it's an all-in-one AI content studio built exactly for this job. You upload the image made in ChatGPT, describe what you want to happen in the scene in plain language, and its agent plans, animates, and edits the clip for you. Behind the scenes, it gives access to more than 25 models, including Seedance 2.0, VO, Sora 2, and even Kling. So you are never locked into one look. It also has lip syncing and talking avatars if you want a voice attached to your content, a timeline editor to arrange your clips, and an upscaler to sharpen the final export. Basically, everything that happens after the image, the movement, the voice, and the polish, all happens inside this one platform. And now let's sign in so that I can show you how exactly you can create videos on this platform. So after you log in, initially you will have 0 credits, and to add those credits, you will have to purchase them by going over here and clicking upgrade plan. And once you click upgrade plan, the pricing will appear on your screen, and then you can make a purchase on your desired plan. And you can see the prices and the offerings clearly per plan. And I personally believe that you should buy either of these two plans, which is the personal or the creator, because it gives you access to Seedance 2.0. And when you decide to make a purchase, you can enter this code in the referral box to get a 10% instant discount on whichever plan you have selected, or else you can just click the link in the description below and it will take you directly to the platform. After making your purchase, you'll see that your credit balance shows over here. And before we start creating videos, if you click on show more here, you'll find a lot of features this platform has to offer. And in there, you can go and explore whatever you want. I will be creating a detailed video on what exactly each feature does later on. But in this video, we'll be going on to video, where we are going to create the video from the image we downloaded. Now, when you come onto video, you will have to upload the images you downloaded from ChatGPT by clicking onto ref images and then clicking the upload button and then selecting the images. And now, as you can see, that images are being uploaded. Now, I created one more image which I didn't record in the video, and it's about a person sitting on the same desk as this one, and we have two images, and we are going to essentially tell Seedance 2.0 that what we want. For example, we will be entering the man in the image comes and sits on the desk as shown, and then looks outside the window, and then takes his coffee mug and drinks. So that is the prompt which I'm going to enter now. However, there are many different types of prompts, and the more detail you tell to Seedance, the better the video it will create. But now I'll enter this short prompt just for demo purpose, and from here you can select whatever video model you want. For now, I'll be selecting Seedance 2.0 because it's the best overall, and then I can select the resolution I want the video to be in, and for now we'll keep it 16:9 only. From here you can select the quality of the video. From here you can select the bitrate, and then from here you can select the duration of the film, and for now I'll keep it 8 seconds only. And then this is for the number of videos you want to generate. So after you select everything of your choice, you'll see that it takes 180 credits to create this video. And then once you're ready, all you have to do is click this submit button, and you will see that the video generation has started. It takes a while to generate the video, As you can see on the screen, it shows 11 minutes remaining, right? So let's wait until the video is generated. And so now, after waiting for 10 minutes, the video has finally been completed, and I'm going to play it for you. So as you can see, the video has been generated, and then I can download it from here. And after downloading, I can create a reel or a short video on it, and then I can post it on my socials. So that's how you create faceless content. So that's going to be all for the demo. And just to remind you again, there's a discount code which is displayed on the screen right now, and you can get a flat 10% discount when you make your first purchase on this platform. Also, you can find the link to this platform in the description below, so you can visit it from there. And make sure to follow for such AI related videos. And thank you for watching.